How to install the hidden Aero Lite theme in Windows 11. Windows Aero is a graphic user interface introduced for Windows Vista and also found in Windows 7. It helps users enhance graphical effects on their PCs. Today I'll show you how to install the hidden Aero Lite theme in Windows 11. Let's get started. Go to File Explorer, then go to this location. This PC, C drive, Windows, then Resources, then Themes. Now copy aero.theme file and paste it into desktop. Right click on it, then click on Open With, then select Notepad. After opening Notepad, delete these two lines and type display name equal to Aero Lite. Now scroll down and go to the Visual Style section. Then type here Aero Lite. Now save it, then close it. Rename it into aerolite.theme. Now double click to activate the theme. That's it. You have successfully installed the hidden Aero Lite theme in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our tutorial review channel for more videos.